It's a proven fact that a well-toned physique is not only pleasing to the eye but also maintains optimum health and meets fitness goals. Maintaining a buffed body requires some amount of discipline and a regular workout regimen. It's possible with a little bit of effort. Exercises performed to build stamina, amp up power and strength must be performed in a conscious manner. It prepares the heart and joints as well as gets the endorphins kicking. A minute and more spent in warming up the body prevents injuries and soreness of muscles. So don't skip this routine. Stair workout exercises are dynamic in nature. It means that the entire body is in continuous motion in a rhythmic manner. These are a heady combination of power, strength, agility and speed too. High-level cardio workout is achieved as this incorporates push-ups, jumps, twists and squats. What you see now are high-intensity sets that require concentration and caution while performing them as well as a certain level of fitness. If you're not used to this level, do these exercises slowly and according to your comfort levels. You may increase the level as your body becomes more flexible and stronger with consistent effort. The body has been put through a challenging routine. Just as warming up is an integral part of exercise, so is cooling by stretching. Stretching allows for the tired muscles to get a much needed rub down and relaxes them. It releases the tension and knots that may have formed during the main sets and heals too, preventing injuries. The heart that was pumped up also gradually gets back to its regular rhythm.